Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. CarpodGo Mini. It supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto at 60 FPS. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wipes. I like the cable. With a length 1.5 meters, Type-C to Type-C, good quality. One adapter, angle adapter, nice, just love it, Type-C to Type-C. Double tape adhesive, and of course we have the car mount adapter. Adjustable. Wow, that is very strong. Already pre-installed one 3M tape. It is MagSafe compatible, so there it is. Wow, oh my god, that is a very strong magnet. Wow, 360 degrees rotation. Definitely you can find the right position. Wow. Just love it. And of course, you can adjust, find the right position at your car. All metal, premium quality. Now connections, supports an HD 1080p rear view camera input, there it is. And the Type-C port here to power on, and you can install a microSD card. You can download the firmware update and make the update through the microSD card, or you can choose to make the update online. Type-C. Nice. I like the bracket. So let's plug it in. CarpodGo. There you have it. It is online. Factory installed tempered glass protector with an oleophobic coating for a smoother touch and fewer fingerprints. I love the display. It has a 6.9-inch fully laminated IPS display with a brightness of 1000 nits. Let's check the settings. Your phone can connect to multiple Bluetooth devices simultaneously. While it is connected to the screen, it can also play audio via your car's Bluetooth. There it is. You can choose a Bluetooth, an aux cable, or an aftermarket Bluetooth receiver. You can use this receiver. It doesn't come with this unit, you need to purchase separately. It depends how old is your car, what connectivity it has. Now, at the settings, system, you can choose the language, day and time, 24 hours format you can choose, date and time it is correct, OTA updates, you can scan the QR code and make the update. Wi-Fi settings, turn on the Wi-Fi, and here I can choose one of these networks. It has a dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 or 5 GHz and of course a Bluetooth 5 version. So I will choose the 5 GHz, enter the password, very easy to type, enter, connect. Connected, nice. And here we can see the Wi-Fi password. You can scan the QR code and make the update. And of course you can do factory reset. Bluetooth. And here you can connect your smartphone through the Bluetooth of this device. You can disable or enable the Bluetooth, auto connect, disable, enable, you can clear pairing, display, night mode, disable, enable, you can adjust the hour and the minutes from 2. Brightness, you can disable the light sensor and you can manually make the adjustments from the day from 0 to 100, for the night from 0, the same in here to 100, light adjustment, minus 100 to 100, enable the light sensor, 1000 nit screen test, it is very bright, wallpaper, slide down, go to night mode, day mode, night mode, we can see here the icon, custom logo, theme, to or first, screen, screen rotation, you can enable. Okay, there you have it, you can do the screen rotation. Screen, disable the screen rotation again. Display, intercom, device position, left side, right side, you can adjust, 60 fps high refresh, you can disable, enable again, return to CarPlay in 10 seconds, disable, enable, Android intercom, Android Auto, Hi Car, Car Live, Android Auto, linked rotation angle 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 0. Camera, static trajectory, disable, enable, the image reverse, the same, vertical flip, gesture trigger, camera parameters, you can adjust, gesture activation, tire pressure, 2 wheels, or you can choose 4 wheels, pressure unit, kPa, bar or PSI, and you can adjust the alarm maximum and the alarm minimum. Sound again, and about the firmware version. And there it is, long press tire to pair unpair. Okay, if the vehicle it has a sensor for the tire pressure, of course. With this icon you can go directly at the display again or at the settings. And of course with these two icons you can go at Android Auto or CarPlay. Let's connect the Android Auto. Now let's go at the settings, Bluetooth, there's the name, and at the Bluetooth of my smartphone, here it is, pair, and connect it. And there it is, Android Auto is ready. So, I'm not going to show you how it works, the Android Auto. Obviously, if you have a smartphone, you know how it works. You can control through your voice, press this microphone.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. It sounds like you might be asking about your microphone or if I can hear you. Since I'm responding, your microphone is working just fine. Did you have a specific destination in mind, or are you looking for something nearby?
So there it is. You can ask him to navigate you in a place you want, listen music, start make calls, you can dial from your contacts, you can dial up, make the calls, and all that through your smartphone. It is very smooth to navigate. You can go at the messenger, Samsung Music, Spotify. And of course you can listen to music through the audio system of your car. You can check the weather. You can even control some devices at your home, smart devices. And of course you can exit and you can connect to Carplay, to your iPhone. And now again you can go at the settings, Bluetooth settings, go to your iPhone, searching for new device, and there it is. Pair, allow, give a few seconds to connect, and then we have connect to CarPlay. Continue, and there it is, connected. Smooth navigation, I like the oleophobic screen, beautiful. And of course here again you can make a call, you can open Google Maps and navigate, control some smart devices, read your messages, listen music, whatever you want through your smartphone. Very easy from this CarpodGo mini display. 60 FPS, the smoothest display. You can just say, hey Siri, make a call.
2.
Cancel Siri.
Okay, I won't.
Hey Siri. Send a message.
2.
Cancel Siri.
Okay, cancelled.
Or you can just say to navigate to any place you want. So easy. What I like most is the quick connection process, the compact design, and the freedom of using CarPlay or Android Auto without plugging your phone in every time you get in the car. If you want wireless CarPlay or Android Auto but hate the look of large, distracting 9 or 10-inch screens blocking your view, this 6.9-inch Mini is the perfect solution. It has the build quality of a premium smartphone, the scrolling is incredibly fluid at 60 FPS, and the MagSafe magnetic mount makes it easy to remove and hide when you park. It brings modern technology to any older vehicle without spoiling the clean aesthetics of your dashboard. If you found this video helpful in deciding whether the CarpodGo Mini is right for your setup, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more car tech reviews, gadget tests and automotive upgrades. Thanks for watching, drive safely, stay connected and I'll see you in the next one.